Bengaluru is once again facing severe waterlogging issues due to continuous rainfall. Karnataka BJP MLA Dr. Ashwath Narayan has accused the BruhatBengaluru Mahanagara Palike BBMP and the Congress government of significant negligence in managing this crisis. Narayan stated that despite being aware of the challenges, no effective measures such as desilting or clearing blockages have been implemented. He pointed out that the Congress government has also failed to allocate any financial resources to address these concerns, resulting in the persistence of this serious issue in the city.
Even fully being aware of it, they have not taken the precautionary measure of desilting, clearing all the blockages or whatever challenges with regard to the flow of the water. I think it is complete irresponsibility on BBMP and the Congress government have failed completely to handle this entire situation. They have completely neglected Bengaluru city. The Congress government, since coming to the power, there is no allocation of money. There has been no allocation.
On the other hand, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has emphasized the need for a proactive approach to resolve the waterlogging problem. He stressed the importance of forming a committee for long-term planning and urged the public to report instances of waterlogging, providing details and photographs of the affected areas. Shivakumar acknowledged that heavy rainfall often leads to flooding, particularly when buildings are constructed in low-lying areas. While this is unfortunate, he remains in contact with control rooms to monitor the situation and regularly visits affected areas. He has insisted on public cooperation to plan measures to prevent such issues in the future.
ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಟಿನ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಇದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋಗಳು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಲಿ. ಈ ತರ ನನ್ನ ಚೀಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಸಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಲೋ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವು ಮಳೆಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.